Let's talk about a real California boy, 26-year-old pro snowboarder and skateboarder Shaun White.
Tonight we visit Shaun at North Star, California as we shine our spotlight on this California dreamer.
I don't remember ever being told that I couldn't do something. Being from California just really allowed me to do whatever I wanted.
Shaun was born and raised in the coastal city of San Diego, where at the age of 6, his big dreams began with skateboarding at the nearby YMCA and snowboarding on the Cali slopes.
It started as a family thing for me, and that's what's cool. I mean, my parents were just like, oh, this would be fun for the kids. Like, let's bring them up there. And then I just figured it out.
Now the two-time snowboarding Olympic gold medalist lives in Los Angeles, making it easy for him to skate, surf, and hit the powder. North Star is the pros' primary Olympic training grounds, which boast 3,000 acres of terrain, including a super pipe designed by Shaun.
They have the 22-foot half pipe now, so you can come ride the half pipe that I train in.
From skateboards to BMX bikes and more, Shaun is giving his fans the chance to make their action sports dreams reality with the Shaun White Supply Co.
I test the product, so you can go from everything from like a beginner setup to basically what I skate. Those boards that are sold are the ones that I skate at the competition.
For more with Shaun, head on over to ET Online, click California Dreamers, and start exploring.
For professional skateboarder and snowboarder Shaun White, California was the ultimate place to grow up.
I think for me, being from California just really allowed me to do whatever I wanted. It really allowed me to still go to school, you know, still skateboard and hang out with my family and my friends, but then have a completely separate life while I was like an aspiring snowboarder. I was like moving up the ranks, flying to Japan, doing all these crazy things, yet I still had this normal life.
The San Diego native has fond early memories of the slopes.
I just remember my whole childhood was like waking up at like 4 in the morning, getting in the car, sleeping in the back, and waking up and we'd be at the mountains. I would just pour my heart into it.
Now, the two-time Olympic gold medalist spends his days training at the North Star Resort in Lake Tahoe.
You know, a lot of things came into play when I chose North Star for my home mountain. It was definitely accessibility. I mean, I live in LA, it's so easy to get here. I feel like it's the one where I'm gonna learn most of the tricks that will, you know, make or break the Olympics.
With his sights already on the gold in 2014, the pro designed his own super pipe.
Since I've joined with the mountain, they have the 22-foot half pipe now, so it's like the Olympic standard. So you can come ride the half pipe that I train in. Well, it's basically got everything here. I mean, there's the Burton Academy, so if you've never really snowboarded in your life and you want to try, it's like these are the professionals that will like introduce you to the sport in the right way.
And when you're looking for a break from the slopes, guests can visit the village at North Star.
That's why I like being here. I go hang out at the lake, or the village here is amazing. There's great restaurants, and it's really important though. It's like the peace of mind of like entertaining yourself outside of the sport, so that when you come back to it, you're just as motivated, just as driven.
For more, visit ET Online.